say that I'm live. I am live. And yeah, Sean is out today, but I kind of just want to be consistent, um, which I haven't really been. So the times that he does notify me that he has other arrangements, I'd say, all right, well, we'll just do it next week. I tried to scramble and find someone else to do this with me, but I wasn't successful. So let me just continue this masterminds. This is solo mission for today. All right. So what do I want to share? Um, there are some interesting developments. One is one is I got a phone call maybe 2 or 3 nights ago, and a food truck that I had approached, I think from a couple weeks ago, had actually like called me in the evening, the owner of it, and he said that he's been checking me out on the internet, and he's interested in what I'm trying to accomplish, and that he would like to work with me on that. So I said okay. I went ahead and sent him a updated slide deck, and we'll see how that pans out. This updated slide deck, I don't know. I mean, the appendix starts at slide 13, right? So, but the start to finish, excluding the appendix, is 12 slides to get my point across. No, I think that should be okay. What else do I want to share? Last night I did a 2-hour session live streaming in which I was adding some scaffolding or preparing the feature on the customer app for rentals. All right. And so what does that mean? Well, while this app is booting up, rentals is this item right here, right? I don't know. You should be able to see my cursor hover up here. So like phone chargers, music, canopies, umbrellas, and then you can keep scrolling to the right. And so yesterday I started writing some code to wire up the navigation based on clicking any of these rental items. And that'll take you to a rental page. I actually think that my wireframe, you want to see my wireframe? Here's my wireframe. The rental page is initially going to be reminiscent of this right here. And let's see if this actually did anything. It's still bootstrapping. It shouldn't take that long to bootstrap. I mean, I was on here. Yeah. So it should be starting now. So yesterday I started writing up the infrastructure or scaffolding to accommodate navigation to what I call rental items details page. And you ready? Drum roll. Ta-da! So it navigates to this page, which was supposed to kind of look like this. Somewhere there's an image in here. I think this is the title over here. And these are the details over here. And then the add button. So yeah, maybe later today I could clean this page up. Else definitely by the weekend. What else? I the rentals, uh, the equipment rental service, that's been taking me a while. However, I have got out of 29 tests that I've wrote, I have 26 tests passing. And so these tests deal from, actually, no, that's not. Actually, everything passes except for categories. So out of 29, I got 27 tests passing. And so those tests cover, I mean, we should just look at it very briefly. Inventory operations, such as registering items, issuing items, resecuring items, and logging items is missing. All right, that's the inventory aspect of equipment rental. And then there's also logging rental items as returned, overdue, or issued. So, and then there's also with the rental item, this whole concept of a customer opening a ticket for them to be serviced. So an example of this is they rent out a hookah on the beach, and they need someone to come out and service it. Basically, service any type of equipment. It could be umbrella that is having issues. I don't know, whatever it is. Um, the backend service will provide an opportunity or expose an opportunity for an end client to create a ticket and then to manage that ticket to resolution. And so that's what this whole notion of tickets are. We see set ticket in progress over here. There should be another assigned ticket, create ticket, etc. Close ticket. All right. So in regards to this equipment rental service, it's kind of reminiscent of when I worked on the payroll service, in which what I thought would take maybe 3 weeks, it took like a couple months to get done. And I feel like this is probably very, very similar, like from front to back. So far on this equipment rental, uh, I think I've worked on this casually, on my off time, which is really probably like a couple hours a day. I think I started this project or this service. Well, we're in June 11. I would like to say probably in like maybe May, early 20 something. Like maybe the late teens to early 20s of May is when I started working on this. And it's approaching a month. And I think the backend service is like 90% done. And now the front end aspect of relying on this service is probably going to take me another month to get right, to build and to get right. That's pretty much it. That's where I'm at. I originally had two backend services to accommodate rentals. I had an inventory service and the equipment rental service, but I just combined the two. So your inventory is actually embedded, right? You have your inventory specification, and then you have your uh, this right here. You have your equipment rental, which if the solution is already called equipment rental, then do I really need to create a folder called equipment rental? And I don't think I do. So yeah, I had two different repositories, inventory repository and equipment rental repository, and I just decided to consolidate the two. Is there anything else I want to talk about? Where's my thing at? If I go back, Um, yeah. So I mean, we could scroll this, right? Uh, groceries. I gotta reapply for my tobacco license because someone was on my computer, and after an hour of filling out the form, that person hopped on my computer without my permission, and I lost my work as a consequence. So I gotta restart this application for my tobacco license for the state of Florida. What else? Life is interesting. I have some other things, administrative tasks outside of programming that have deadlines, and so that's starting to take a toll on me mentally to get done. It's like doing taxes, man. It takes a toll on me, and it's like I can't ignore it, or else it's just going to get worse, and I'm going to have more stress. So I mean, there's other things going on in life, right? But what else? What else? What else? As I said, in I don't even know where to look at, dude. I don't even know where to look at. As I said in past masterminds, uh, I had like several weeks or maybe 3 weeks ago created an account under Facebook Business Manager, and I started preparing my campaigns. I haven't pulled the trigger yet and actually executed on uh, specific um, ad images, right? Like here's an example right here. You can see that it still has like the ghost, what do you call it? Ghost marks on them, or watermarks on them. And so like I'm okay with everything here except for this portable chargers for rent. I don't like this font. I mean, it might still work. I just don't like that font, dude. I don't like it. I just don't like this right here. Um, so I haven't really made any more progress on my ads. Here's another one right here. Like I'm content with this one. I feel like this isn't perfectly in the center though. I feel like this probably should be like moved over maybe 15 pixels. Like this needs to be shifted slightly to the right some. I don't think it's perfectly aligned. But like I'm okay with this. So sooner or later, I gotta pull the trigger and purchase these expensive stock photos. Uh, and that's another expense. What else? What else? What else? What else? I've been on Alibaba, uh, getting quotes for instead of buying on Amazon, in which I had a steady stream of shipments coming in every day of products that I would rent out, that I would like test myself on the beach in regards to setup time, durability, etc. That that kind of stopped because I kind of have like an inventory of coolers. I have one umbrella, I have one canopy, I have two of these Bluetooth music systems, and I have two of these chargers. Don't have hookah. I don't have like a football or a cornhole. Groceries, I mean, that's not part of the inventory. That's something I could just pick up. And then if the app actually gets discovered and people actually download it and they actually like buy stuff, then I assume that I can like start buying wholesale and keep the stuff stocked. We'll see. Uh, that is pretty much what I wanted to share. I guess I could go back to my browser and see if, okay, there is one person looking at this. So that's where I'm at. That took all the 15 minutes to explain, and I don't have anything else to add. For that one person that's observing, I don't know if you're actually like viewing this or if you're just listening to me in the background. But if you don't have any comments or questions, I'm going to exit or end this broadcast within the next 60 seconds. So that's it. I don't have anything else to share, and I'll wait another 50 seconds before I kill this broadcast. I might as well start launching. Might as well try to do maybe 15 minutes of work. I gotta figure out what the support number is. 20 seconds and I'm out. Oh, okay, there's 2 viewers now, so now I have to give the other viewer an opportunity. All right. Back to 60 seconds before I leave. I just gave a dissertation solo of where I'm at in my project. And now I'm leaving it open for any comments or questions before I exit this stream. So now I'm back to 50 seconds before I terminate this broadcast. Oh shoot! If I got to run this, I got to run my event store. 30 seconds until I terminate the broadcast. Where's my event store at? Is this right here, right? No. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, I'm out. See you. Bye.